A very good morning, dear students. 8th grader, I hope you all are good at home. So, in previous lecture, we have started Chapter 9, Adobe Dreamweaver CS2. So, today we are here to discuss about the concept of panel, different types of panels, and how to create a website. It is CS5, sorry. So, panel is the major part of your Dreamweaver window. Generally, panel is used to provide the important information about your document. Panel is generally available on the right side of your window. It appears on the right side of your window, and panel will provide a number of information. Panel can be of three types. Panel can be insert, properties, and file panel. So we will discuss one by one all three categories. First category is insert. Insert panel, as the name suggests, it will help to insert the different features in your document, in your website. You want to add some hyperlink, you want to add table, you want to add anchor, you want to add division tag, you want to add images, you want to add some additional feature by plugin options. So basically, panel is providing the information. It will help the information to provide in three parts: insert, properties, and file. Out of this, insert panel will help to insert the feature in your website or web page document. So panel can provide information like hyperlink. It will help to create hyperlink in your document. We can create a table. We can create the anchor. Anchor meant to say we can create the anchoring. It means insert a named anchor, and hyperlink can be created between different anchor tags. Division of page in separate part like 1, 2, 3. Dividing of part, it is division. Images, to insert the images, to add some plugin or additional features. It creates and edit the form also. Generally, now one more thing I want to tell. These above all features till plugins, these are under the common tab, because insert option divide your part on the basis of tabs. So these are the feature of common tab. While the another feature that are related to form, that are under the other tab, that are related to your form and text tab. These features I am talking about these. These are related to form and text tab, in which we can insert text also, we can create new form also. So this is related to common, and second is related to the form and text tag. Now come to the next part, properties. Generally properties will provide the sensitive information about a web page. It means what is the property for a specific web page document, for a button, for a frame, for a table. It will provide the detailed information about a specific element of your table. So it provides the context sensitive information, and it will help to modify the property of your document. You want to resize, you want to increase, you want to decrease something, you want to add something. In that case, it will help to modify the properties. And properties can be modified by two mode, by HTML mode and CSS mode. Generally, it works on the concept of two different editing options. One option is related to HTML, second option is related to CSS. HTML, as the name suggests, the full form is hypertext markup language, and the full form of CSS, that is cascading style sheet. Both options are related to designing a web page. HTML will provide the programming, CSS is used for style script. It will provide to a web page different types of style option, color, background, different type of animation option, all are under CSS. So we can modify by two methods, by using HTML code, by using the CSS code. Third type of panel we are having, that is file panel. File panel provide the feature to change in the file properties, to update the file, to adjust the file. So it has two features: to expand or reduce the file panel area. We can expand and reduce the file panel area when it is reduced, when it is collapsed, then three types of option will be there: local site, remote site, and testing server. And when it will be expanded, in case of expansion we can expand only either local site or remote site. Out of two we can expand only one in case of expansion, when it will be expanded. When it will be reduced, mean to say collapse, in that case collapse, in that case all three options will be available. Now afterward, whenever we are planning for a website, to planning the website, first we need to think about the website structure, how it will be, how many pictures we are adding, how many images we are adding. For that we are making the sketching layout. It means rough idea, rough diagram of your website, rough diagram of your web page. So how to create the rough diagram? To make the rough diagram, we will divide a document in a tabular form. We will divide the document in a tables, in which, like, I want to create the web page, I'll make the page, I'll divide in this format. Like here I'll enter first option, second option, third option, fourth option. Here I'll enter first pick, second pick. In center I'll give the heading. Here I'll give the detail information. So sketching layout will provide the planning of your website, how you are ready to prepare your document. Generally in case of planning, we are also planning about that number of pages, how many pages we will design, what will be the heading of that page, what will be the title, on which position title will be displayed, on which position your image will be displayed, on which position your different tabs will be displayed. So all such planning part is under the category of sketching the layout of your web page. Now steps to create a website. When a user want to create a website by using Dreamweaver, in that case we have to follow some number of steps. Step 1. To create a website, first step is you have to click on file option. Click on file option. After clicking on file option, you will go to the new option. In file you will get the new option. In new option you will select basic HTML page. You will select the basic HTML page. Afterward you will add your form, table, anchor, division, images, whatever you want to add. You will add all such things. After adding all such things, now you need to save the document. To save the document, again you have to click on file option. In file option you will find the option of save as. In save as you will type the name, by which name you want to save the document. You will write the name of your web page. Now after saving from here, this document will be saved on your local site. It means in your personal computer. Now you want to publicize it, you want to send it on a website, you want to send it on web portal. In that case, then shift the document on a remote site. Shift the document on a remote site. First it will save on local site, then shift it on the remote site. Now next topic, that is how to insert a table in your document. Again we have to follow some number of steps to insert a document. Inserting table is a part of insert option. Go to insert. In insert, select the table option. Step 1, go to insert, then select table option, then enter the number of rows and columns, how much you have required. How many number of row and columns you want to take, enter the number of rows and columns. Then set the border thickness. Now in border thickness we are having one question. If we don't want to give the border, we want border free table, in that case you will set the value 0. If you want to give the thickness, you can start giving value from 1 to 7, 8. You can give the thickness of your border. If you don't want to give any thickness, border free table, then set the value 0. Set the table width, height, position. Afterward, after setting all properties, click on OK button. Afterward, after you setting the table, you can even extend the size or you can reduce the size of table. We can increase the size of cell of table. We can reduce the size of cell of table. We can even give the spacing between the columns. So all such settings can be performed after inserting table option also. So after completion of this topic, we have finished chapter number 9. Dear students, if again you are facing any doubt in any topic, you can send me your query on my WhatsApp number. It is 999 111 8890. This is my WhatsApp number. You can send your query. I'll give you revert back on your number. Thank you. Have a nice day.